Good afternoon, folks. Mark here in the fan cave. It is Tuesday, May 16th, 2023, and I have my little 36-inch or 38-inch, whatever, original polished brass. It did have a globe light, and that subsequently cracked, so I've discarded it, replaced it with a schoolhouse light for now. It is missing a screw, so I put a new tone screw in its place. It seems to be holding up pretty well. I may or may not get around to going over to Home Depot and getting a similar corresponding screw. But yeah, it's a cool little fan. I like these little originals. Or still move a ton of air. And the light kit on this does work. That's your typical 2-speed setting. You just have fast, probably fast and medium, not even fast and low. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. If you could like the video and subscribe to my channel called The Fan Cave, I would greatly appreciate it. And I added a little bit of 3-1 oil to it because it's an original, so. Here's the tag. And the other thing that's missing is one of the screws, or actually I think both of the screws that hold up the canopy. But I'm sure I have a couple of those lying around. So anyway, for an almost complete original, it's in pretty good shape. Thanks for watching. Good night and good luck.